Hi everyone! Everything I'm going to explain in this video is based on real-world experiences we've had over the years, working with these systems and with our clients. The first thing we check is the network, because many times the controller itself is fine, but it simply can't communicate with the router. Moen states that U by Moen requires a 2.4 GHz network using WPA or WPA2. That's why a good test is to temporarily use only 2.4 GHz, disable 5 GHz during setup, and avoid guest networks. Moen specifically recommends separating the bands when using a mesh router. We also need to check the security settings. If the router is using WPA3 or another modern configuration that the controller doesn't properly recognize, the connection may fail. To rule this out, it's best to use WPA or WPA2 during setup. If the problem started after changing the router, network name, or password, the controller may still be trying to use the previous settings. In that case, Moen recommends removing the controller from the app, resetting it, and setting it up again from scratch. That said, we don't recommend resetting it right away. First, make sure the network is compatible, because resetting the system without fixing the Wi-Fi issue could leave us right back where we started. If the network is correct but the problem continues, we move on to checking power and connections. Moen recommends checking the power adapter and the data connection between the controller and the valve. If everything is properly connected, the signal is strong, and the controller still won't complete the setup, then Moen support may need to determine whether there's an issue with the controller or another component.